So how long does it take for the Botox to kick in, and how long does it last? Those are very common questions. So the Botox kicks in fairly fast, usually within 2 or 3 days. When we inject the Botox in the muscle, it blocks a nerve muscular junction, and it'll do it at different speeds. So one area might set in faster, but typically we wait about 2 weeks, 2 full weeks to judge the effectiveness of Botox. If you have a big event coming up, such as a wedding or something, you get photos, I like to do it 3 weeks beforehand, mostly because if we give you a bruise, that's kind of resolved by then, but that's also when you get your best brow lift, best lift to your brow with Botox. That's your main concern. How long does it last? People obviously are variable, but typically 3 or 4 months to the new Botox user. However, what happens with Botox, because it's weakening the muscle temporarily, is if you do Botox every 3 or 4 months for about a year and a half, you get some degree of permanence because the muscle actually gets smaller, it atrophies, and we see it lasting much longer. So some people get to where they're doing their Botox every 9 months to a year after they've done it a few times. But for the first year and a half, they're doing it every 3 to 4 months, and that's typical.